Hello everyone, welcome to Online Study for You. Lots of best wishes, बहुत सारा प्यार from the Online Study for You team for everyone who's moved one step ahead in the TCS process. My name is Tanvi Ajmera and I've been creating a lot of content for you on verbal ability and soft skills. So firstly, we're very excited to bring this video to you because now we know that we will be a part of your second step in the process, which is the HR interview round. So our today's video content is entirely dedicated to helping you understand how to answer top 3 questions that are asked in the TCS round. Now, something that you people need to understand is while everyone will be feeling a sense of victory when it's come to clearing the first step, the second step also is equally difficult, students. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये बिना preparation आपके लिए crack हो जाएगा. We will have to put in lot of मेहनत and tips and tricks out here also. So in this video, we are trying to feature the top 3 questions that are asked, and we're also giving you the approach in terms of solving these particular questions. Now, TCS का भी एक pattern होता है in terms of how they ask the question. We will be trying to help you to navigate through this entire pattern and answer the questions your style, right? Remember, as much as we try to prepare you for the TCS questions, the HR interview questions are completely about you. They are directed to understanding you better as a person, right? So you will have to customize these answers your style on the basis of your information. First things first, are you ready for this challenge, right? So TCS eliminates over 30% candidates in the HR round. Like I said, good news here that you've cleared round 1, but we have to prepare for round 2 also so that there is no elimination that happens here. What is the objective of the HR round, right? ये round हम क्यों रखते हैं या कोई भी organization क्यों रखता है? It's because they want to get to know who their potential employee is. So when it comes to joining the bandwagon of a company, right? Imagine if you are the employer of a company, you will most definitely want to know कि आप जिसको recruit कर रहे हैं, what are his strengths, what are her values, how is she going to manage the team, how is she going to move up the corporate ladder. And recruitment in itself, students, is a very, very time consuming and costly process. यानी कि अगर TCS एक wrong recruitment करेगा, that's going to cost them at least a few thousand rupees, and no company wants to waste that. This is your deal breaker round. So यहाँ पे decision making होता है whether you are a good fit for the organization or not. So हो सकता है if your name is Varun, okay, Varun, you're an excellent candidate. However, you're not fit for TCS as a company, right? So the idea is that in this particular round, they understand what are your skills, they understand what are your competencies, they understand what are your strengths, and on the basis of that, they move you, right? So let's begin our entire discussion. Now, our entire agenda is based on 3 things, right? So ये वीडियो में आपको 3 सवालों का जवाब मिलेगा. Number 1, what are the top 3 HR round questions? क्या है ये questions? Approach to answer them. Obviously, सिर्फ questions बताकर कोई फायदा नहीं है. So we are going to solve the questions together. हम देखेंगे कि हम answers कैसे बना सकते हैं. And the mistakes that you should not make in an interview. क्योंकि ये जो 30% candidates निकाले जाते हैं, they have been observed to make these mistakes, which is why I'm also going to caution you on what are your don'ts, right? Now let's begin with our question number 1, right? Pehla sawal. Tell me something about yourself, right? Now remember, this particular question is like your blank Converse students, right? So abhi आपके सामने पूरा white paper है. आप जैसे इसको पेंट करोगे उस हिसाब से आपका इंटरव्यू जाएगा. So here is where actually you have the steering wheel for the entire interview. क्योंकि आप जो भी जवाब यहाँ पे देंगे, it's going to boomerang back to you. So if you're going to give answers which will navigate your interview in the way that you want it, you are most in confidently in a position where you can manage all the questions that are coming. लेकिन अगर ये वाले area में we make mistakes, तो almost the entire interview is ducked. So this area, tell me something about yourself, is very, very important. Now, the first thing that I want you to understand is when you are talking to TCS, they will have your resume, right? So when I'm getting this opportunity, let's say for 60 seconds or 90 seconds to talk about myself, I do not want to be repetitive about things which are already there in my CV. in my resume. So the idea is I'm going to give them an introspection into what I am, who I am, right? And I will be doing it very cleverly using 4 things that you can see on my presentation. First, I have to build a brand for myself. So if I say Tanvi Ajmera, who is Tanvi Ajmera in 60 seconds for you, right? How are you going to understand that? You're going to, of course, understand by my communication, the words that I'm using, the body language that I'm demonstrating, and the tone in which I talk to you. These 3 aspects. Also, grooming. How you look is another very, very important element in terms of any interview, right? Because you're making an impression out here. And of course, if you want to make a positive impression, it's very, very important for you to be dressed appropriately, right? So if you dress appropriately, if you have a good body language, people are automatically inclined to listen to you. Next thing after brand is benefits. So if I have to talk about what things or what are the benefits that I have, what is that extra edge, I'm going to talk about what I do for my extracurriculars. Okay, something that has interested me apart from the academics that I'm pursuing, any certification that I have worked on. Now it'll be very, very nice if this certification is in line to what your stream is. So let's say if you want to work for IT and there is some certification that you have done related to IT, sure shot success. If not, you can still talk about different certifications because that talks about your eagerness to learn things and interest. So for example, for me, I think animals really interest me a lot, because of which I have a pet dog, right? Whatever your interest could be. USP, what is your unique selling point? So if you are Varun, how is Varun different from the 500 other candidates that are appearing for the same position in TCS? Here is where you got to talk about your strengths and your accomplishments. What have you achieved? What do you take pride in at whatever age you are currently? Last but not the least, this is a little bit about your own background, your own family, and the qualification that you're offering. So this is how you sum up the entire thing, right? Once you've covered all these 4 points, you will have done at least 60 to 70 seconds, right? याद रखिए हमें 90 seconds से भी ज्यादा stretch नहीं करना है. Nobody likes to listen to someone who goes on about themselves. Okay. Now I've prepared a sample answer for you, and this is what it looks like. I am Rohit Sharma, and my interests lie in street photography and creating art journals. Alongside this interest, I also pursued a certification in data science. I believe that there is something to learn from everyone, and that is my biggest strength. I like to take up challenges and take the lesson plan from my mistakes. We are a small family of 3 members. I have graduated from VIT University, and I'm looking for an opportunity to grow my career with a reputed organization such as yours. Very short, very sweet, right? ज़्यादा भी नहीं बोला, लेकिन हमने सब कुछ cover कर लिया. We've covered everything that we discussed, which is communication and grooming, of course, your extracurricular, certification, strength, accomplishment, background, family, सब कुछ cover कर लिया. Now the only thing is you have to rehearse how you talk about it. तो ये अगर लोगों को लगेगा कि भाई अपने बारे में ही तो बोलना है, उस दिन जाकर बोल देंगे. Not going to happen, students. You will have to practice your self introduction. My personal suggestion is खुद को time भी करिए, so that you understand how much time it is taking. The reason why I'm asking you to prepare is, like I said, this is that boomerang section. So हो सकता है अगर आप यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं about certification in data science, यहाँ से आपका अगला सवाल आएगा. Or if you're saying that, I take up challenges and take the lesson from my mistakes, they're going to ask you, so what was your latest lesson? And then maybe you can give an example that, so, when I went for hiking, I realized that I'm not very, very fit as a person. Therefore, when I came back, I started working on my fitness. Things like this. So this is how you navigate the interview in the manner that you want. So yahan jo information aap denge is very, very important, right? So do write your own introductions. Yes, of course, feel free to post it in the comment box also. We would love to go through what your self-introduction would be. Question 2. वेरी वेरी पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू वर्क फॉर टीसीएस? यस, ये सवाल तो मतलब पूछना ही बेकार है, बट ऑफ कोर्स यू नो एचआर बीइंग द एचआर दे आर गोइंग टू आस्क यू कि ऐसा क्या है टीसीएस में कि यू वांट टू वर्क फॉर टीसीएस, राइट? So first thing what you need to do is research about the company, right? And this is not for TCS students, this is for any organization that you're sitting for, even if it's a startup. उसके बारे में research करिए, you know, what is the company about, what are the functions, what is the mission, vision, value, right? And the job role. This also becomes a very very important factor, because imagine the organization is very good but your job role is not good. You wouldn't want to sit for that position in that company, right? Because alongside the company brand, you will also want a good job role, right? So let's say if you're applying for Byju's and the position is that of an IT developer, which interests you a lot, okay? Then you're going to apply for that position. Just because it's Byju's, that's not good enough a reason, okay? Vision. Okay, this is a very nice way of sort of aligning yourself to the company, so you can align your own vision to the company's vision and values. लेकिन ये vision and values company के कैसे पता चलेंगे? जब आप research करेंगे, जब आप Google करेंगे, right? Learning curve. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't do, but students from Online Study for You will do, which is cite leadership examples from the organization that you admire. Now, remember, every single time when we are working for some company, we are not just working for the company, but we're also working for the people. You know, so your closest relationship is going to be with your seniors, with your managers, with your boss. So the idea is that you also want to work with good people. And of course, TCS being TCS is going to give you that opportunity to work with some amazing people. Last but not the least, how do you think you can add value to this role? But that has to be very one-liner. इस पे ज्यादा अपने बारे में इलाबोरेट नहीं करना है. ये जब सवाल आता है व्हाई डू यू वांट टू वर्क फॉर टीसीएस, इसमें टीसीएस की तारीफ करनी है इन शॉर्ट. ओके, नाउ द सैंपल दैट आई हैव वर्कड ऑन फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर आंसर इज TCS is a brand and a legacy in itself. I have admired the leadership body and their work. Okay. Also, the job descriptions allows me to put my skills to test. Okay. Integrity and responsibility are two values that I share with the organization. So you're trying to say that you also value integrity and responsibility as a person. I have particularly felt mesmerized by Ratan Tata sir, who has always believed in the democratic style of leadership. So here you're actually citing an example of leadership. Here you could also give an example of a personal, leader that you look at. So let's say if you have some of your colleague who works at TCS, you can really say that I admire his working style and I understand that he's inculcated this out of working with TCS. Okay. I personally feel very aligned to my role and the company values, and I believe my contribution would enhance the team, right? My contribution would enhance the team is the value that I would add. Again, very short and sweet, company की भी तारीफ की, खुद से एक personal example भी दिया to add that personal touch, and last में ये भी बोला कि I will have something to offer, right? Great. Do post the answer for this also in the comment box. Last but not the least, question 3, right? What is your biggest weakness? Now everyone feels this is a vulnerable spot. ये एक ऐसा सवाल है जो आपको सच बोलना भी है, लेकिन you do not have to make it very obvious, because of course this is not something that you're proud of. Okay, so how you will answer this question? Most people are going to say कि अपने strength को weakness के हिसाब से दिखाइए. बिल्कुल नहीं. That is a very wrong methodology, because you're not Superman, you're not Wonder Woman, that you do not have any weakness, right? आप यहीं पे जन्मे हो. So of course you're human, and of course you have weaknesses, of course you have vulnerabilities. So the idea is not to give fake answers, the idea is to give real answers, but in an intelligent manner. Firstly, talk about an aspect of your personality. So every weakness that you're talking about should be ideally related to some aspect of your personality. Very, very stupid answers are, I am lazy. Okay, I like to sleep. कभी hire नहीं करेंगे अगर ऐसे mesmerizing answers दोगे तो, right? Next is acceptance. You should demonstrate how open you were to work on it, right? So for 90% people, the problem is कि हम अपनी weakness को accept ही नहीं करते. The fact that at your age you can accept your weakness is something that the company or the HR will really, really value. Plan of action. तो weakness तो पता चल गई. अब weakness के बारे में हमने किया क्या है? Have we tried to resolve it? या हम बस okay, मुझे ये problem है sir, बोल के खत्म कर दिया, right? So talk of how you dealt with it. Result. So if you were following a plan of action, definitely you have achieved certain results. So talk about where you stand currently with respect to that weakness, right? So first we will talk about an aspect of our personality. Second, we will demonstrate that we were open to accepting it. We will show that we tried to work on it, and we will talk about concrete results of what has happened. Sample answer for you. As I come from a separated family, I have issues with my emotional intelligence. I realized of this when I was working on my project with peers and colleagues. I felt the need to work on this aspect and immediately started taking therapy to address these issues and resolve them. It has been 6 months now, and I'm coping very well. In general, my approach to issues is to work them through without hesitation. Okay. And this is actually one of my problems. I'm not a very emotionally intelligent person. So, again, being brutally honest and saying that I'm working on it, there's no shame in it, students. But you know what is shameful is that you don't even talk about a weakness. You try and tell them I'm God, Apunij Bhagwan hai. So that doesn't make sense, right? Now, last, coming to what are the things that you need to avoid, which means no. Okay. So firstly, do not criticize anything. Okay. Nobody wants to have a negative personality on board. Kisi ko शौक नहीं है किसी negative person को recruit करने में. So don't criticize college, internship, project, India, ye problem, wo problem. No, the interview is not about that. Okay. Do not be unprepared with your answers. Now, like I said, सबको ऐसा लगता है कि मैम एग्जाम वाले दिन या इंटरव्यू वाले दिन हो जाएगा. The idea is थोड़ा prepare कर लोगे तो और अच्छा होगा. So why not do that? Okay. Inadequate research of the organization and JD. So there may be questions which are related to your job description, related to the organization. अगर आपने research नहीं किया है तब आप जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे. And it's going to look कि अच्छा जो company में they have come for a job, they don't even know about that company. Okay. Do not keep talking without a pause. My name is Rohit Sharma. I've come here to work with TCS. I'm really influenced. Not like a parrot. Okay. Take pause. Use intonation, right? Kabhi apni pitch high kariye, kabhi low kariye whenever you're trying to talk about something. So let's say when I speak of my achievement, I will sound really confident. I will, sort of have a higher pitch. Versus when I'm talking about something that is, my weakness, I will sort of lower my pitch. Okay. Do not be dishonest about information. Now, when you fake something in the organization, maybe they not know it now, they'll eventually get to know something later on. So do not fake it till you make it. That's not our logic. Do not be dishonest about anything that they are asking you. It's okay to say that you do not know something. It's okay to confess that this was your mistake. That's all right. And do not be informal or inappropriate with answers. Now, हो सकता है ये interview virtually हो सकता है ये interview physically हो. Whichever way, don't assume just because the person is being nice to you, is trying to talk to you about things, ki you can be informal, you can treat them like a friend. The idea is it's still a formal discussion. Have it formally, even if you're trying to have conversations with them, right? With this, I wish you all the best, and I hope all of you clear all online study for you students, clear this exam, and do let us know how you like the video. Thank you, everyone.